Welcome to the Living Inner Thrive video trilogy. Introduction and overview. The three videos of this trilogy are video number 1, The Nature of Human Thriving. Video number 2, The Science of the Human Experience. And video 3, Living Inner Thrive. The intentions of the Living Inner Thrive trilogy. 1. To provide you with leading edge scientific data and evidence based information, as well as a firsthand experiential deep dive tour of who and what you truly are. 2. To equip you with a core understanding of how your brain, body, and consciousness synergize together to create your experience of self, life, and reality, and to help you see that you are already optimized for thriving. And 3, to guide you through a radical realization and profound shift in perspective that will fully unlock your thrive mode, facilitate your freedom, and transform your world from the inside out. To get the most out of this experience, cultivate an open, present, curious, and captive beginner's mind. Engage with a quiet mind and release the need to understand, analyze, agree, disagree, form opinions, or even make sense of anything at this stage. You can do that at the end of the module when you have the full scope. Give this your full attention. Do not skip around or half listen while doing something else. Watch these videos a few times and read through the slides. It is recommended to watch through each video once all the way through to allow the information and experience to digest, and then from the top of each video as many times as is helpful to allow the core themes and connection points to click and integrate. There's no need to take notes or try to get it on the first round. In fact, it's best if you create the mental and physical space to give your full attention on the first pass and simply soak it all in through engaging as fully as possible. The more engaged you are, the more automatically, quickly, and deeply the info will click and land. The information in the Inner Thrive video series and throughout the Module 5 experience is intellectual and multimodal, and your active engagement and experimentation is necessary in order to fully digest and integrate the many themes and applications. You will be invited to explore your own direct experience of each theme via guided exercises, prompts, supplementary videos, and excerpts featuring experts in these domains, and continued integration and reflection activities in the Module 5 workbooks. Ancient wisdom, modern science. Immense care has been taken to make this content as simple, digestible, and applicable as possible, while also allowing for it to be potent and thorough wherever helpful or called for. As with all LFP content, the information and composition of the Inner Thrive video series, as well as Module 5 and the Module 5 resources, has been meticulously and thoughtfully considered, conveyed, curated, cited, and/or synthesized from the drawing board. To the best of our knowledge, this particular synthesis of information has not been realized or conveyed anywhere else or in a similar, concise, or cohesive format. That said, many of the themes, ideas, data points, practices, philosophies, scientific contributions, and elements that have been influential or directly woven into this content and the experiential facilitation have been directly or indirectly inspired and/or sourced from among the most brilliant human beings and scientific, philosophical, and creative works from pre-Plato to present day. With this in mind, great care has been taken to honor the accuracy, integrity, interpretation, and integration of these brilliant minds and their works via attribution or reference where appropriate. Sources and references have been provided in the Module 5 Resources Workbook, as well as the deeper learning bonus materials for those who would like to explore to their heart's desire. Speaking of attribution, here is a highlight list of brilliant minds, experts, and teachers that have informed the LFP and Module 5 content and framework. Keep in mind that this list is to highlight those who have been greatly influential, but by no means is it intended to be exhaustive, and there are certainly dozens, if not hundreds more, who have inspired this content. You have reached the end of the Living Inner Thrive overview video. Next up, video number 1, the nature of human thriving. See you there.